everyone. My name is Sarah and I'm here today to answer a few of your questions regarding fitness and lifestyle. I have authored a book, it's called Fitness, Fun, Nutrition and Lifestyle in Pakistan, and it targets all age groups and men, women, children, everyone. This is available on my Insta page, Fit Food Lifestyle 1, and it contains nutrition, workouts, meal plans, diet plans, everything related to being the best version of yourself, to dietary modifications, to well-informed, research-oriented information, and interviews and practical tips practiced by myself. So be sure to get your book. Junk food is something which causes all the damage in your body. So the best way to replace it is कि आप बिल्कुल अपने आप से वादा करें कि नो जंक फूड. आप अपना विल पावर बनाएं और उस पर कायम रखें अपने आप को. एंड एक फूड जर्नल रखें. उसमें आप 3 days का रखें. उसमें यू विल एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट इट इज़ दैट आप जो खाते हैं उसमें क्या सही है और क्या गलत है. So junk food is your biggest culprit to your unhealthy lifestyle. And food journal रखें, and उस food journal को आप with time सही करें. उसमें चीज़ें omit करें, चीज़ें add करें, ताकि आपकी जो cravings हैं वो भी under control रहें. Stretching before a workout is extremely important because it gets you ready for a workout. ये आपको muscles को, they warm your muscles up, and they prevent you from any injury जो आपको हो सकती है during your workout. They increase your flexibility and hence increase your range of motion to your muscles. So stretching is very, very important. Before a workout, उसके बगैर बिल्कुल भी ना सोचें to do any sort of proper high intensity workout, क्योंकि आपके muscles ready नहीं होते. So you have to prepare your muscles before an activity is about to be planned. जब आप छोटे होते हैं आपकी बॉडी ज़्यादा अडेप्टेबल होती है, एंड आप डाइटरी लाइफस्टाइल्स जो मॉडिफिकेशंस हैं, फिटनेस मॉडिफिकेशंस हैं, यू आर एक्टिव इन स्कूल, यू आर लर्निंग अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन स्कूल. सो रिसर्च बेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास होती है, एंड माई बुक इज़ फुल ऑफ रिसर्च बेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन जो मैंने खुद अपनी प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स भी इसके अंदर डाली हैं for the young minds to learn about it. कि what is it, कि आपको क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या पीना चाहिए, why should you be active, why is muscle strength important, ये सारी चीज़ें. So as a teenager that is the best time for you to start your journey, because यही habits आपके साथ पूरी life रहती हैं and helps you maintain your weight and helps you remain away from obesity. The simplest and the easiest diet plan to pursue during the summer months, जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है during the summers, इसके आप हल्के खाने खाएं जो easily digestible हों. आप soups, salads पे focus करें, vegetables and fruits, और पानी बहुत सा पिएं because your body loses a lot of water through sweating, and dehydration भी हो सकती है. So soups, salads and पानी बहुत सा पिएं, and something nice would be 3 light meals during the day and 2 snacks. So आप इसमें आपके snacks में green tea भी आ सकता है. A simple green tea can also be a snack. 7 almonds can also be a snack. और chicken, yogurt, best is कि आप घर की दही बनाएं. So chicken, yogurt, lots of green leafy vegetables, and fruits. Summer months are all about fruits and vegetables. Diet 100% isn't 100% important. Fitness workouts are 100% important. इन दोनों को करेंगे तो आप एक healthy lifestyle pursue कर सकते हैं, and your weight will remain under control as well. Diet is what you feed your body, and physical movement activity is how you lose your calories as well. So the way to lose your weight or to keep your weight under control is through portion control, eating at the right times, through activity, and through your diet. So activity are two types: normal activity जो आप हर वक्त कर रहे होते हैं, and goal-based activity, which is high intensity or low intensity activity of any sort, which can be in the gym or can simply be a walking, fitness, working lifestyle. So दोनों बहुत ज़रूरी हैं, and you learn about it through my book. So girls suffering from PCOS, which is polycystic ovary syndrome, आजकल this is very common in girls, and इसमें weight, you put on lot of weight, and इसमें facial hair भी आ सकता है, and it's usually due to insulin resistance. So the diet to follow for this is you should have supplements. You should have minerals like iron, zinc, manganese, B12. You should have vitamin D, and you should have your omegas, and isme you should focus on a high protein based diet and cut out your sugars, refined sugars especially, completely. So no sugars, high protein, and good healthy fats. And exercise is very important for PCOS. इसलिए आप बेशक walk भी करें, 1 घंटा 40 minutes walk, and a good healthy balanced diet with no sugars is the solution to PCOS. Doing strength training every day is not important, but at least a minimum of twice a week of strength training is recommended. So strength training is also known as resistance training, and that means that you lift weights. So the reason to lift weights is that you build your muscles, you build your muscle mass, and you decrease your body fat levels. So increasing muscle mass keeps your calories burning faster, it keeps your metabolism higher, and it keeps you toned and makes you look good. So having muscles is very important as opposed to carrying body fat. So twice a week is recommended for strength training, and 3 times would be ideal, focusing on different parts of the body. The best weight loss tips for you to follow at home would be कि आप walk करें every day at least 1 hour, and आप उसको बेशक या इकट्ठा कर लो walk, or break it up into 3 portions or 2 portions depending upon how much time you have. So walking is very important, and number 2, keep a food journal so that you know what it is you're eating and how to keep a balanced nutritional lifestyle, जिसमें आपके सारे good macros भी आएँ, and सारी आपकी nutritional जो है कोई nutritional deficiencies ना हो. You should have a good balanced dietary lifestyle. So food journal रखें, and secondly आप drink a lot of water, hydrated रखें अपने आप को, because that water keeps your metabolism raised as well. And helps to detoxify your body. So hydrate आप कर सकते हैं. You can have green tea, you can have coffee, you can have lots of water, you can have coconut water. So hydration, walking, and keep a food journal. These are the 3 top tips for your pursuing your health journey at home. आजकल the best fitness trend and which is effective as well is HIIT training, which is high intensity interval training, in addition with muscle strengthening exercises or resistance training. So these two done together is the best way to keep your body in form and in shape, and to keep your body fat levels in check, and to keep your muscle mass up. So HIIT training and resistance training done together with active recovery days, which include walking or yoga, is the best way for you to stay in the best shape that you can. The best way to gain muscle mass is to strength train or resistance train or lift weights, as it is most commonly understood, is at least twice a week and minimum twice a week, and targeting different parts of your body. So the best diet for it is a high protein diet. Keep your carbohydrates low and have healthy fats. So a high protein diet would include meats, so I have lots of chicken, and if you are a vegetarian, you can have legumes and complex carbs, so which have protein as well. So I have a list here in my book of the 10 best body muscle maintaining, muscle increasing dietary foods. So you can take a look at it over there.